I know you guys love these aero caps from Halo Black. They are great, they are beautiful, we can all agree to that. But I've gotten a few questions about how I put air in my tires with these on, because if you look at them, they're super sleek, they cover the entire rim. So yeah, it's a great question. How do you put air in these tires? How do you even remove them? It's a pretty simple process, so let me show you that right now. Step one only requires your hands. You see that black part in the middle? Grab it, pull it to the side, and then pull it off. You can go ahead and use the Pentagon tool that came with the aero caps, and that's going to remove that center middle metal piece. All you need to do is insert and twist. After a few rotations, you can just use your hand and unscrew it. Look at the green thing. It'll tell you which direction is the unlock. You twist it that way, unlock it, and then pull it off. Then you can pull off your whole aero cap. Go ahead and grab your aero cover, center it, go ahead and grab the green piece, and then screw it in on top of that aero cover. You're just going to want to take that metal tool that came with the kit and lock it into place. From there, grab that metal bolt, put it back in the center, and then tighten it with the tool. And you're pretty much done. All that's left to do is place that black center cap on. If you put it on, you twist it one way, it doesn't lock in. Twist it the other way, and it should lock in. Give her a little tug to make sure she's locked in place. I always like to keep my tools in the center console, just somewhere in the car, and then you're done. That's how easy it is if you want to replace the air in your tires and you have these awesome aero covers on. Great for range, great for looks. Let me know what you all think in the comments below. If you want to pick up a set of these for yourself, it's fine if you don't like white. They have black, they have decals, they have anything you want in these aero covers on their website, Halo Black. I'll have a link in the description below with the discount code. So if you want to check these out for yourself, I'll have them for you and you can check them out. I hope you give them a try. I love mine. Love, love, love mine. And I think you'll love a set too.